Yo, everybody, welcome to the live stream. Can you guys hear me? Okay, oh my, I gotta turn on the music. Yo, what's up, everybody? Finally, live, DJ. I'm streaming on Starlink right now, okay, at like 1 megabyte per second. I don't even know what that is in Mbps, but it's very my stream may cut out here and there. All right, so Hellish Miner, what's up? Techman, BC, why the heck do I keep having to reset the 1080p stream? Yeah, it's because I'm streaming at a very low bit rate right now. So DJ, I can't believe you brought Starlink. It's not that serious. No. The ship has Starlink. I don't have Starlink. No, I wouldn't bring the router. I wouldn't bring the Starlink router. the ship has Starlink. What's up, bros? Ninja Kid, 8 Mbps. Okay, yeah. I did a speed test. I could only get like 10 Mbps up and down. 10 up and down. 10. It's really bad, really slow. Oh, sharing Starlink with 4,000 other folks. Yeah, pretty much. Hobbyist Miner, good afternoon. RPM, how's the cruise? When are you home? I am home in 2 days. 2 more days. The first thing I'm doing when I get back is turning on that AL box. I gotta go to the shipping. I gotta go to my business box and pick it up. And yeah, fun times. Okay, so how's everybody? I just want to go through, like, I guess Bitcoin and how is mining profitability on like various models, and we're gonna put some hash rates into what to mine. I think the what to mine Bitcoin calculator is pretty spot on. It's pretty good at figuring out what the block reward is on average past 24 hours or the current value, which is it's been going down because the fees have been going down. So I find that the what to mine calculator to be on point. The next one is hashrate.no is pretty good. The what to mine Asic miner profitability ranking calculator is pretty good. I don't like Asic miner value, and Mind the Asic. It's something's happening with Mind the Asic. It's not correct. I don't know. Something's weird with Mind the Asic. So we're gonna go through some fun things and just look at, you know, how much does a S19 make now? You know, after the like a week after the halving. I'm delaying. I'm gonna do a separate video when I get back. I'm pretty much waiting for the hash rates. You know, we need a good week, maybe a good month even, to really see. Like, we zoom out and really see how, in terms of the network hash rate, has really affected since the halving. Which the Bitcoin halving was, when was it? The 20th. The 20th, right? And just looking at it over the past month, you see all these ups and downs. These are a lot of it is curtailment. You guys have probably heard this term like many times, curtailment. so there's massive farms in, like, let's say Texas, where they have to shut off for a certain period of time, and so these massive dips in the hash rate that you guys are seeing over the past month, that's the reason. Now, the reason, okay, a lot of people were saying after the Bitcoin halving, the hash rate dropped like 20 or 15%, which it did, but I truly think that wasn't because of the halving. That was probably because of curtailment. So I truly like, and then you see, like, shortly after, a day later, the hash rate went up to like 779 exahash, and then it went down again, and back up and back down and back up and back up again, where we are now. So pretty much it hasn't, in my opinion, it hasn't really changed at all. Nothing has, like, if you zoom out, it's actually been going up. The hash rate, on average, it's been going up. So even the halving hasn't, after a week or so, okay, granted, it's only been a week. I really think over the next month or two, especially dependent on the Bitcoin price, which is now 63,300, which has been going down over the past week. We're gonna see which, you know, like, how many people out there, how many mining farms, industrial miners out there are maybe still running S9s, or maybe still running older S19s, or older Can-An models, or micro BT M50s. You know, the ones that do pretty much anything above 27 joules per terahash models, like big mining farms. There's plenty of them that have a lot of these, even S17s. You know, there's plenty of these guys that have these. So how long are they going to be able to hold out and keep these online up until, you know, they can't pay for their electric bill, or it doesn't make sense because they're really losing dollars against their electric? Like, we're gonna let's do some fun math here. Okay, let's do some fun math. So before we do all that, thank you for today's live stream sponsor, TerraHosting.io. If you guys are looking for hosting, GPU hosting, ASIC hosting, right now, ASIC hosting, they have about 250 slots available for hosting right now. Go check them out, TerraHosting.io. As well, if you're looking into buying ASIC miners, if you decide to buy from them, go check out their website, terrahashes.com. If you decide to buy ASIC miners from Terra Hosting, they will also give you a deal on ASIC hosting. It goes hand in hand, okay? So if you are looking into buying, I don't know, S19Ks, whatever, any big boy ASIC miner, they will also be able to help you with a hosting deal as well. Okay, so check it out, terrahosting.io, link is in the description. And one final shill here from myself is going to be the RPM Tangem is now available. If you guys are looking for one of the best cold storage wallets, in my opinion, it's going to be Tangem Wallet. I personally have switched everything over. I really loved Ledger Wallet for the longest time. Then they got hacked. They leaked all of our private information for people who bought from them directly. Also, the seed phrase connection to their servers, Ledger Wallet, that was the end of the line for me. I got into Tangem about a good half year ago. Since then, I love it. It's a cold storage wallet. There's no battery, okay? So you don't have to worry about it draining or any mechanical parts like a Ledger Wallet, for instance, that it could break or die, all right? And also, there's no cable. It uses NFC technology. And I know, people are like, hey, RedPanda, NFC, can that be hacked in some way? No. It's the range on an NFC is about 4 inches. I don't know how much is that in feet or centimeters. Anyway, the range on that is very, very small. And so people are thinking that you could use some type of Flipper Zero or something to hack it. No, it's already been debunked. So this is a $50, okay, use code RPM for 10% off. So it's a cold storage wallet. You do need a cell phone, okay, that has NFC, because you're tapping the card on your phone in order to do the transaction, because the seed phrases, the seed keys are on the Tangem cards. Okay, that's how it's able to distinguish if you have a legit, pretty much, counterfeit protection here. So the app authenticates the cards, providing you with full assurance that the wallet hasn't been tampered with or replaced with a fake one. Crypto KJ says NFC range is actually around 20 centimeters. Okay, I've been told it's about 4 inches. Anyways, there's a 25-year warranty. It comes with 2 backup cards. So if you buy the RPM Tangem, you also get 3 cards. So 2 of them are the backup ones. And I'll just a quick explanation here about Tangem. All right, so they have like 2 different security measures. The biggest thing is with the smart backup method they explain here. Okay. They actually advise people that have these to holders against, they advise them not using the seed phrase for the backup. All right, so these Tangem, the extra backup cards are the backup, are your security for like the seed phrases, okay, if that makes sense. Tangem, they back up your cards, the private keys, using additional cards, eliminating the chance for seed exposure. All right, so that's the whole premise around the Tangem cards, is that you don't need to back up or see the seed phrases. Okay, so you are eliminating the exposure by not writing it down in a notebook or taking a picture. You should never digitize your seed phrases ever. Not with anything, not on Tangem, not on Ledger Wallet, LEPAL, anything. Like, you should never digitize, take a picture, put it on your computer, put it in your Google Drive. Never, ever put your seed phrases online anywhere. Not even on a device that has no internet. Like, anyway. They have, okay, but if you do want the seed phrase option, they still do have that when you first set up your Tangem. Okay, there is the seed phrase. If you do want to have the seed phrase, you can take it from the Tangent wallet, all right, when you first set it up. But I'm not going to tell you how I'm doing it. But anyways, check it out. If you guys are... Oh, there's my Discord. I better not head that. Okay, hold on. There we go. Check it out. Link at the top of the live chat. All right, let's get into Bitcoin mining, bros. Smash the like button. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Okay. What Asic miner do you guys want to look at first in terms of profitability? Let's see it. What live in the live chat? 125 people, 32 likes. Guys, smash the like button. Let's get to 100 likes. 100 likes. Bought my Tangent months ago, upgraded my tablet, then wanted to see. Oh, I see. See phrases text. Tangent don't support Friendcoin though. Tangent supports Caspa. Tangent supports a lot more. Tangent's going to be supporting Radiant and Dynex and Nexa pretty soon. Ledger doesn't even support Caspa yet, which is funny. Okay. All right, S19 104 terahash. Oh, Adraman. That's you mean the S19J 104 terahash. I don't believe there's an S19 that's 104. There's an S19 Pro that's 110. But the S19J. Okay, S19J Pro. Let's do that. Let's do the S19J Pro. Okay, just regular stock. Nothing. 29 joules per terahash. Alright. Alright, let's go to the what to mine calculator. 104, let's just say 3200 watts. 10 cent kilowatt hour. Alright, block reward on average over the past hour, or past current value is about 3.69 BTC. And that includes the fees, and the native block reward is 3.125. Is it 3.125, right? Yeah, 3.125. BTC value 63,400. Okay, I'm gonna hit calculate. Okay, so an S19J Pro 104 terahash stock 10 cents kilowatt hour is in the negative right now. It is not making anything. Minus $2.13. Your power cost is $2.13 more than the revenue generated. So S19J Pro 104 terahash is not good right now. It's at 10 cents. Let's go down. Let's go 8 cents. All right. So you're losing 59 cents. If you're at 8 cents per kilowatt hour, you're losing 59 cents. If you're at 6 cents, let's see. All right. So if you're at 6 cents, which maybe a lot of industrial miners are at and lower, they're still profiting about $1. S19J 104, 3200 watts at 6 cents can profit about $1. All right. So, okay. Now, so that's the S19J. That's about a 4 or 5 year old, 4-year-old ASIC model now, I think. So, industrial miners are still looking pretty with these, I'd say, and they're still okay. 5 cents, $1.71. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, $1.71. Okay. All right. Let's do. Okay. Let's keep that same ASIC model, S19J Pro. What about the low power mode on an S19J Pro? I've actually done this test. I was getting 82.5 terahash at 2020 watts at the wall. All right, let's put that in. 82.5 at 2020 watts. All right, let's go back up to 10 cents. All right. Let's see here. Okay, so an S19J Pro low power mode, 82 0.5, 2,000 watts. It at 10 cents, it's not profiting. It's minus, we're losing 45 cents. Let's go down to 9 cents. Alright, so break even on LPM mode, S19J Pro is 9 cents, is about 9 cents. Break even. Alright, we're only making about 4 cents. 4 measly cents on an S19J Pro. This is probably one of the most popular ASIC miners out there. Actually, I think we can. Here, hold on. Let's go to HiveOS stats here. Here, I want to see something. All right. All right. So this is just on HiveOS. This is not indicative of like outside, but it's I would say it is. The S19J Pro Antminer on Hivon is about 11%. Dude, Hivon 20% is these L3 pluses. Wow, there's still an F ton of L3 pluses out there. But you can see the second top three is the S19J Pro models. So together, this is about 20%. The next biggest one, fourth place, is S9. Oh man, I can't even. You know what? Let's do the S9 profitability. Oh man, S9. Who is 9% of people still running the S9? Okay. All right, let's do okay, S9 crypto cloaks. All right, crypto cloaks can get 8.25 terahash at 650 watts. That is a 78 joules per watt per hash. All right, whoever is running these must have free power. Man, some people must have free power on S9. Okay, so let's do it. 8.25 terahash. 8.25 terahash at 650 watts. So let's do 10 cent kilowatt hour. And I have not seen S9 for a long time. Wow. Okay. Well, I mean, that's revenue on an S9 at 10 cent kilowatt hour is 44 cents. But power cost is $1.56. You're losing $1.12 every day if you're running an S9 at 10 cent kilowatt hour. Okay, so let's see where maybe, you know, maybe these, whoever's running these, 9% of people running these on Hivon is making okay money here. Let's go 4 cents. Okay, at 4 cents per kilowatt hour, they're still losing 18 cents. 3 cents. All right, they're losing 3 cents at 3 cents. 2 cents per kilowatt hour. 13. All right, you're making a little bit. You're making a few cents at 2 cents per kilowatt hour on an S9 undervolted. This is an undervolted S9. So yeah, I see you guys are talking about free power. Yeah, I'm gonna have to say majority of people running these things is gonna be on free power. It has to be. It has to. It has to. But going along, oh, okay, there's actually more S19s. Another 8% on here. M30S Plus. This is the same efficiency roughly as the S19 Pros, I think. Let's see. M30 Plus, yeah, 32 watt per hash. Yeah, there's a lot of these. There's a lot of these. So these are pretty much in the same line as S19. S19 Hivon 5%. L7 3%, S19, S19K, S19Ks 3%. Look at that. So that just tells me, like, I would say majority of the network hash rate on Bitcoin is gonna be like S19 series, man. Like exahash upon exahashes of S19s. I know the Bitmain S21 just came out. The S19K also just came out. But I don't think it's at the level yet of how much S19s, of how many S19s and, you know, M30Ss that are out there right now. So it's, oh yeah, it's gonna be a bloodbath. where's the $50 S19s? All right, let's go to eBay. Where's the $50 S19s? S19J Pro. All right, let's go to eBay. Let's go to eBay. All right, where is it? Come on, somebody. All right, Antminer S19J Pro, $690, $80 shipping. Yep, nope. No, wait, where's the $50 S19s? It's coming. It's got to come soon. If Bitcoin price keeps going down, well, I mean, we should theoretically see, because if profitability should be changing these ASIC prices. If it doesn't, I mean, I guess supply and demand. There's supply and demand here, so if the prices aren't, if nobody's selling these, I mean, theoretically the prices should start coming down. Let's go recently sold items. Recently sold. Okay, today, literally today, someone bought an S19J Pro 104, $690. Plus $80 shipping. Who bought this? Who bought this? I'm honestly, I'm waiting for like $100 max. $100 S19s. Oh my god, this guy's... Who is this? Aaron8904 is selling 10 brand new S19J Pro 104s for $8,000. This is, at most, I would say, if everything starts going down, it's going to be like $1,000 for these 10. Going down. S19J 96 terahash 595. Yeah, these are still they're around $500. 500 to this one. Someone bought one for parts, $395. Dude, this is all in the past couple days. People are actually buying these right now. Maybe, I mean, yeah, maybe it's a good buy. Maybe it is a good buy right now. I mean, maybe is this the bottom? Is this the bottom? Maybe some people are thinking there's no way Bitcoin could go any lower than it is now, and profitability wise, it can't go any lower. Maybe we hit that floor. Maybe some people are maybe taking that gamble. Yeah, below 100 impossible. GSKT Blue says $1,000 max. Yeah, people on eBay are nuts. Carl M, still a lot for what you get. Carl M, what's up, man? Carl M, I can't believe you won that S21. I still can't believe you won that S21. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Carl M, I'm home in 2 days, so I'll pack that thing up and ship it to you. All right, man. Carl M, can you email me like in 2 days just to remind me, please? Just remind me. I just saw Cats of Crypto name. Who's the Cats of Crypto name here? Who is that? That's awesome. Cats of Crypto. I'd give $50 for any S19. Yeah, a lot of people would. Overkill Mining, Bitmain Antminer T21 next, please. Overkill Mining. Okay. GSKT Blue, can you check your mail, please? I don't have my email open right now. I don't want to show it on stream. I'm with Vega at 58k BTC. Cats of Crypto. Okay, 58k BTC is the floor. All right, I like that. That's Pellish Miner. Okay, Pellish Miner, you're here. Cats of Crypto. Okay, awesome. I'm an industrial electrician with experience in data centers. What's the best miner I could get for 1 to 2k to get my feet wet? Probably the S19K, man. S19K are pretty good if you want to get your feet wet, and then you can play around with the firmwares and you can get even better efficiency. S19K Pro. Go get your feet wet on terahashes.com. Link down below, man. Link down below. Also, if you need hosting, I guess you're gonna play with play with it yourself. So, okay, T21. All right, T21. Do I have that on here? Bitmain T21 is 190 terahash, 3610 watts, 19 watt per hash. Okay, let's do it. 190, 3610 at 10 cent kilowatt hour. Hold on, I did wanna go on Asic miner hashrate.no. Okay, so hashrate.no says that Antminer T21 is profitable at 10 cent kilowatt hour, but only like $2.66. Okay, so let's go to what to mine. What to mine is saying it's only profitable on Bitcoin mining $1.34. So Digibyte might be. It looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. Digibyte is okay. Okay, I think hashrate.no numbers are a little bit off here. 10 cent kilowatt hour, it says making minus 7 cents. But on what to mine, which I really believe is a lot better because they do update the block reward here in real time, it says $1.34. Okay. Well, it looks like Digibyte here is the next profitable thing at $2.63. Interesting. Digibyte. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Let me go with this other list here. T21. Okay, there's a. Okay, all right. What to mine has the T21. Oh, there we go. Who super chatted? Did I miss it? Oh my god. No. Someone subscribe. Thank you for the sub. The music died. Alright. Okay. Alright, so the T21 is actually, yeah, it's making bank on Digibyte. I mean, not bank, but $1.38 or $2.99. So it's $1.30 on Bitcoin. eCash. Ooh, what's eCash? XEC. I've never heard of this coin before. It's making more than Bitcoin mining. Interesting. 3-phase power. Yes, the T21 is only runs on. Yeah, that's right. T21 is 3-phase. Yeah, that's right. So no like residential miner can mine with one of these. Okay, so that's the T21. That's the T21. Let's look at. Oh man, let's look at the. I want to look at the S21. For anyone that's bought in the S21 recently. S21 Pro. Where's the regular S21? Here it is. Alright, S21 at 10 cent kilowatt hour is making a couple bucks a day. Oh, that's... Wow. How much does an L7 make right now? What does an Antminer L7 make? Ooh, the E9. Dude, you know what's funny? The Z15 Pro actually makes more than an S21. Look at these. The altcoin Asics are making this as Z15 Pro was like $2 grand, like a couple months ago. Let's see, where's the look at the E9 Pro. It's making a couple bucks more than the S21, and the E9 Pro was like $2,300 a couple months ago. Oh, what else can we look at? Ice River. I mean, these Ice Rivers are still making, you know, $1 to a couple $5 so more. The K7 was $3,000. It's still making like $10 a day. The L7. All right, here's the golden Asic miner, which we know there's a new L9 coming out. But the L7s are still doing pretty good. $10 a day. $10 a day. Yeah. All the altcoin Asics are doing better than the Bitcoin Asics currently. Currently, I'm not saying You know, it could be better later on, but this is what's happening. The altcoin Asics are winning out at this very moment after the Bitcoin halving. Currently, well, we can come back to this in like a month. Ooh, the Bitmain X5. Bitmain X5. Look at that, man. KA3. The Cadena ASIC miner. $2 a day. Black miner F2. Alright, so as we go down here, dude, the Antminer T21 is really not making much. This is yeah. At 10 cents though, granted, at 10 cents. If you had a lot lower electricity, then it's a different story. I'll take an L7. I'll take an L7 too. Ross has a vid converting a T21 to single phase. Yes, I did see Altair Tech has a conversion kit. Yes. Yeah, for the T21. Okay. Is there what else? What else? Anything else you guys want to talk about? Other than I think it's all relative. It's all relative anyway. At current Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin network hash rate has not really changed. It's really, if you zoom out the past 3 months, it's relatively the same. It's relatively the same. All right. Is there anything else you guys want to talk about? I'm here for you guys. What do you guys want to talk about? Panda. The Gold Shell AL box too good to be true? Yes. Oh man, that's a whole other that deserves its own video, man. I've already did a live stream yesterday regarding the Aletheum stuff, or a couple days ago. This thing's now $51 a day. Man. Oh man. Oh boy. Alright. 20 GP rig. I have a topic. Can you guess what it is? 20 GP rig, you're banned. You are banned. It is down 200 exahash. Are you talking about Bitcoin? It's not really. Not really. Is it profitable? Not really. If you had 10 cents and under, and if you had the newer, like, you know what? I forgot to go through the S19K. The S19K is a prominent ASIC miner. Ooh, okay. S19K Pro at 10 cent kilowatt hour is not doing too hot right now. Yes, S19K. Hold on, let me put the numbers in. 120. Let's see, 110 terahash at 2680 watts. Oh yeah, S19K is at 10 cents though. At 10 cents, it's losing 69 cents. So if you had, let's say, 8 cents. 8 cents, you're making 60 cents, okay? So 8 cent kilowatt hour, the S19K is 110 terahash. These are at least breaking even. Okay. L9 will be around 12K, right? I don't know, man. Cats of Crypto, can't wait until you get home. Cats of Crypto, thanks, bro. I'm home in 2 more days. No, 3 more days. I'm home. GSKT Blue Ripper, can we have a 30-second silence in memory of our missed colleague in the space, Mr. Eric A.K. Overboy? Funeral is tomorrow. Oh, funeral's tomorrow. You know what? I wish I could. Man. If I wasn't on this cruise, I would 100% be at the funeral. Yes. 30 seconds of silence. Yes. Let's do that for our friend, Mr. Overboard Tech. If you guys have not heard, he passed away about a week ago. It was super hard for the community. Let's have Yes, let's have a 30-second moment of silence. His funeral is tomorrow. Let's do it, guys. For him, for Mr. Overboard Tech. Alright. GSKT Blue. No, dude. You didn't bring the stream down at all, bro. No. Don't worry about that. Hashtag Katsu Crypto. Chuck Danger. What's up, man? What's up, bro? What's up, man? Funerals tomorrow. Okay. I think Blue Moon Mining, he said he's gonna keep, he's gonna send me some pictures and stuff, and yeah. Yep. Alright. Were you just using sandpaper, RedPandaMining? What? J Dorest, what's up, man? J Dorest 1977. I don't know how to say your name, man. Yes, rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, Eric. JD. Alright, JD. Yeah, JD. There you go. I'm just gonna call you that. Hey, JD, you won a giveaway yesterday, didn't you? Alright. Okay. Is there anything else? Anything else you guys want to talk about? So, I guess we're kind of like in this limbo state, right? Everyone's kind of like, all right, for those that are Bitcoin mining, I mean, I don't even know how many of you are Bitcoin mining. I don't even know if this makes sense for a majority of you. How many of you are Bitcoin mining with Asics? Me. No. Alright, I just want to gather how many people in this live stream are actually like Bitcoin mining. Let's see. I just want to gather some info here. I'm seeing a lot of videos on Go mining. Are they legit worth it? Hamad, I don't know. I think that's fake. Don't trust anything. Jimmy Collins, Gold Shell AL box, worth it or not? I don't. It's not worth it, man. It's not at this point. There's a massive lithium miner on the network already. Me hosted. BTC really isn't worth it to me as a home miner, to be honest. Too much cost. Yeah. My recommendation for most people before the halving was to actually get into altcoin miners, because I think altcoin season is still going to be upon us, and when those altcoins start going up, like, I don't know, Ethereum Classic miners, God forbid, you know, Caspa miners, hopefully, Litecoin, Dogecoin, everyone knows, you know, I think the altcoin miners still have a place, and I mean, at this point, the Bitcoin miners, relative to how much they cost, you could have bought, like, you know, S21s. You know, S21s were like $4,500 or something, right? You could have bought, like, maybe 1.5 L7s, or maybe 2 E9 Pros, which the E9s are still making a good $10 a day. So, sorry, after electric, 10 cents would be like $6 a day. But you know what I mean. It's like, there's I know at this point in time it's because where the prices are at, that's where it is. But I think I've given this recommendation for a few people is that, you know, Bitcoin mining is really a huge competitive game now, and if you don't have low, cheap electric, like anything under 8 cents or lower, you're gonna be hard pressed to compete against all the big boys, the big boy ASIC miners, industrial miners. So that's why I more so was hinting towards altcoin ASICs, because these are, sure, it's a little bit more risky. It is a little bit more risky, but there's also, I'd say, a lot more upside potential, especially when it comes to altcoin season. I'm not saying Cadena is going to go back up again, Nervos, Ethereum Classic, you know, all these types of ASIC miners that are out there right now. It's all a crapshoot, man. It's all a crapshoot. It's all interesting. Anyways. Alright. 39% of you are Bitcoin mining. 61% of you are not Bitcoin mining. Alright. Alright, you guys don't even care about Bitcoin mining. I'm gonna go into CPU mining. Alright, forget ASIC mining, forget GPU mining. I'm selling everything for CPUs. That's it. I'm gonna become rabid mining, and we're gonna turn into a CPU mining only channel. I'm never selling my GPUs. Never. I'm never selling. I just got a bunch of 3070s. I am never selling these. Let's see. How much can I make on my 3070s right now? Not much. I mean, I can make $21. Oh yeah. Iron Fish. I mean, I don't want to use that much power though. Damn. Okay. CPU, let's go. Hold on, I'm gonna end this poll. This turned into a rapid mining stream real fast. Who's mining that? Who's mining that new Zealous coin? Some people said to mine it. Some people said not to. Some people said it was a pre-mine. I don't know. I really don't know. I was looking at the Bitcoin talk for it, and it's all a crapshoot. All these new coins coming out, it's all a crapshoot. There it is, Zealous. All right. I like how he says that mainnet was launched 4 days ago, and he just posted this like, I guess, live a couple days ago. Everyone's just like, not fair launch after 4 days, posted on Bitcoin Talk. There are rumors that GPU has already been released for third-party developers used by a narrow circle of people. I agree. It will fill and empty, so I won't care. Most projects will fail. These GPUs were on the first day. Developers shared the GPU on day one with their inner circle and friends, and then they market it as a fair launch. What a joke. Then they don't even care to hide it and launch the miner a few days later with a 30% fee. Oh my god, 30% fee? Dang. Wow, that's terrible. Wow. Well, where can you sell Zealous? I have not read this. Sorry, I did read this. I didn't know where you could sell it though. Smokey Dan, I'll be swapping out a 3600X for a 5900X, and then I'll be using the 3600X for 8-card Windows Spec Grid miner, CPU mining, and just need the PSU for cards and 4 more GPUs. Nice, man. Nice. Very nice. Expatron. Expatron. Okay, let's go to Expatron. Expatron. Good old Expatron. Where's the Expatron? There it is. Is Livecoin Watch? Is there Zealous? Is there Zell? Is Zealous on here? Is it called XELS? Is that what it's called? What's the ticker symbol? Is it XCLS? XCL. Nope, it can't. This can't be it. No. I feel like I'm getting hacked right now. Hold on. Why is this website not loading? It's so slow. Okay, there we go. Dark mode. Oh, thank God. Alright, there. Ah, there it is. Zell USDT. It's been on a downward trend. Definitely people selling. Is it still profitable now? I mean, I'm assuming if I start mining it now, I don't think I'm gonna make. I feel like I'm not gonna make much. Zell is on Trade Ogre too. Oh, it's on Trade Ogre. Okay, nice, nice. I'm not gonna bother. I'm not even gonna bother. Not even gonna bother right now. Okay. Alright, bros. Is there anything else? Is there anything else you guys want to talk about? Elon is using all the bandwidth. Cheat Ogre, BC. Yeah, still, rest in peace for the people that still have, Caspa. Caspa on the, on Trade Ogre. Alright. Is there anything else you guys want to talk about? Is there anything else? When terra firma. All track, what is that? What are you talking about? My crypto, RedPandaMining, you have this sheet, Excel sheet shared somewhere? No, I don't, but yeah, in my Discord actually. Hold on, let me get the link. Here, I can share it right here. Copy link. Thank you to Zero for subscribing. Thank you, good sir. Holy 35. So we should get L7s is the message. Nah. I mean, I gotta update the prices here. You know what? Hold on. Let's update the price. Hold on. You guys want to talk about Litecoin, Dogecoin mining? I'm down for that. I'm actually thinking of purchasing a bunch of these. Maybe an L9, not a bunch. A couple L9s to get hosted. Okay, L9 is $14,000. Okay, how much is a L7 right now? Let's see, L7. All right, L7 is $7,000. Are they kidding? Are you kidding me? L7s cost over $7,000 now? I thought these were like $3,500 at one point. Why did they cost so much? Ali, why do BTC Asics stay at the same price and already profitability go down? Ali, you know what, bro? I'm telling you right now, it's gonna happen soon. If Bitcoin price is still going to be suppressing down, I mean, in theory, in the next week or two, we should really see ASIC prices come down. For Bitcoin, if we don't, I'm gonna holler and tweet and make videos at all the resellers. You guys are scammers. I will do it. I'll do it. I will make a video and explain like an S19. I'll call out everybody. I'll even call out my good friend TerraHashes. I'll even call them out. An S19K Pro at breaking even at 10 cents makes zero profit right now. These things, all of these, the whole market for ASIC reselling for Bitcoin should in theory go down. I know for a fact all these businesses don't want that to happen. They want to keep these prices elevated as long as possible. But it all comes down to like supply and demand. It's all about supply and demand. If there's no demand for these and there is an F ton of these on the market, I mean, and the prices should in theory come down. If they don't, I'm gonna tweet and make videos. I want to see $100, $200 S19J Pros. When I see $200 or $150 S19J Pros on eBay, I'm buying like 10 of them. Hell, 20. I'll buy 20 of them, just to have them. I'll pop down $2,000 to buy 20 of these and just hold them, just for the hell of it. I'm just to have them. You know what? I just want to make a wall of S19Js. I'll have a massive wall in my basement. I'm gonna stack them upon each other and just build a nice wall. And then if and when, you know, Bitcoin's like $500,000 or something, or, you know, something crazy, or the S19s are profitable again, I'll slowly start selling them one by one on the market for fun. Just a wall of S19s I bought for like $100 each. Oh man, that would be great. I would love to do that. I would love to do that. Tia S. I already have a wall of 100 S9s that I got for $8 a piece. Are you kidding me? $8? Wow. That's I don't think S9s will ever have its I don't think S9s will have its heyday ever again. You know what? Maybe though. If Bitcoin went up to like $300,000 or something. Smoky Dan will be your winter heater. Yeah, exactly. Maybe what I'm saying is probably hopium. It's definitely it's not something it's something I actually hope for, but also at the same time, what I'm hoping for is going to screw over. It's going to screw over people that are, you know, that have hundreds, if not thousands, of S19s, and, you know, they're not profitable at 4 cents anymore. You know what I mean? Like, this website's not loading. You know, it's streams. Is the stream still alive? I'm sorry if we cut out. Are we still alive? Are we still alive? Yeah, I'm still here. Oh, Mr. Squid. Oh, where is Panda with the KS0 Pros? Oh my god, you know what? I totally forgot. We had to do, we didn't give away the KS0 Pro. We did not give away the KS0 Pro. I had one final. KS0 Pro, and I didn't give it away yet because, yeah, last week, yeah, it's because, yeah, you guys all know. We're gonna redo the giveaway when I come back in a few days. Okay, we're gonna redo the giveaway. BC, I'll probably stick with the S21s. Yeah, BC, if you wanna, yeah, stick with efficiency and you still want to continue to mine, yeah, bro. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. What is the best coin to mine right now? I'm just a beginner. Well, that's a hard question. I honestly, Bitcoin mining like I said, it's a very competitive game. If you don't have low electrical costs, you're not going to be competitive at all. So just do your investment strategy based on, you know, if you can handle a lot of the expenses or not. And the crypto mining strategy is to mine and hold and wait for price appreciation. That's like the best strategy. Of course, at the same time, you want to run it as a business as well, so you can depreciate the hardware and expense your electric, all that stuff. So, I'm praying for you to remember to give it away. Cats of Crypto, I will, bro. Alltrack, do you have a Mara FW firmware control board to test on S19? Alltrack, I actually, Mara, I forgot what's the company called? Mara. They already contacted me. I think they said they're gonna send me some control boards. Yes. They were gonna send me some control boards. We got 200 people watching, 89 likes. Smash the like, bros. Let's see 100 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Probably Varus. KSER Pro makes 63 cents a day now. Yeah, Caspa mining, Caspa's price is continuing to be suppressed. I mean, that's really going down with the market, going down with Bitcoin. Philip Burley, I'm so divided between selling my ASICs and buying GPUs or holding them in the hopes of 150k BTC and high ETH like fees. If that happens, I think we'll see S19 making $10 a day profit. Philip Burley, yes, exactly. That's hence why I said if I ever see S19s down at like $150, $200 or $250, I'll probably buy I'll probably buy 10 of them. You know, like if it comes to that point where there's people liquidating them, I'm gonna buy a couple. I'm gonna buy a bunch and just hold them. I'm not gonna necessarily run them, but I'm gonna just hold them, and then if they do go up in value when Bitcoin goes up higher. I mean, we can do some quick math here, just for the hell of it. Like 104 terahash, 3200 watts at 10 cent. Let's just do 10 cent. I know that's not really the average now. It's more like 14. But let's just say 10 cent kilowatt hour. Okay, it's making negative $2.39 right now. Okay, so let's change the BTC value here. What if Bitcoin went up to 70,000 from 63? All right, so we're still losing $1.80 at 10 cent kilowatt hour. What if Bitcoin went up to $80,000? The S19J Pro would not make $1. It would be losing $1 at 80,000. Let's go to $100,000 Bitcoin. All right, so at 10 cents, all right, at block reward, with fees roughly 3.52, we're making about 68 cents. It's not a lot. It's really not a lot. But Bitcoin has to be $100,000 to make that 68 cents profit on an S19J Pro at current difficulty, mind you, which is climbing. The Bitcoin hash rate, in my opinion, hasn't fallen since the halving. It's still climbing. If you zoom out over the course of the month, these big drops, again, are curtailments. Okay, curtailment is big mining farms that turn off to save money or keep that low electrical rate. You know, they have the provision to turn off for a certain amount of time, certain days, and then they turn back on again, and the hash rate goes bonkers. Curtailment. That word's been pushed around everywhere. So yeah, these fluctuations it hasn't, in my opinion, the Bitcoin network hash rate hasn't really changed much. Hasn't really changed. We're gonna have to wait I'm gonna say another month or two until we actually see. It depends on the Bitcoin price. It really depends on the Bitcoin price. And how many people out there are still running S19s, which is actually an F ton of people. that are still mining with S19. So the efficiency against their electrical rate, it really depends. It really depends. And then, okay, well, what if Bitcoin went to $150,000, like you said? All right, yeah, then the S19J Pro at this current value, difficulty, price, $150,000 Bitcoin, the S19J will make about $5 a day, or $12 if you had free electric. Is Bitcoin gonna go to 150K? Here's where it comes down to. Here's where it puts it into perspective. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the music. The music's slowing down my internet. All right, here's where. Oh no! Did we crash? Oh boy! Can you guys still hear me? Uh-oh. Are you guys still here? Okay. We're still live. Muted. Yes, we're still on. All right, perfect. Sorry, I thought my stream froze. Here's where it really puts it into perspective for me, and I'm sure this all makes sense for a lot of you guys. All right, and this is not new. This is something I learned from many other OGs in the space. What I'm explaining, actually, everything I talked about in this video, in this live stream, I have learned from other people before me. All right, I've learned from Bits Be Trippin'. I've learned from Guntis Vitolins when I started GPU mining back in when I saw their videos back in 2013 and 2014 and 2017 notably. Those guys, everything I talk about, it's the same thing. Retro Mike, thank you for the donation, you bastard. If BTC goes to 150K, I'll buy RPM Tangent. You bastard. Oh, man. Okay, so in order for Bitcoin to go to 150K, Bitcoin's market cap would have to be about around $3 trillion. Okay, just in my head there. Right now, we're at $1.2 trillion. So if Bitcoin wants to go to where right now, Bitcoin is... Damn it, Retro Mike. Thank you, Retro Mike. Okiko, what's up, man?
Retro Mike Tech donated $1.99 through Super Chat. If BTC goes to $150,000, I'll buy our RPM Tangent.
You bastard. Damn it, Retro Mike. Alright, so Bitcoin's $63,000 right now. In order for Bitcoin to really go to new all-time highs, to like 50,000, whatever, 150,000, really, we have to see Bitcoin at $3 trillion. That's it. So if gold, thank you for the sub, bro. Thank you for the sub. Manuel, thank you, bro. Bitcoin has to be like $3 trillion. Microsoft is already there. Apple's almost there. Nvidia is Nvidia, a GPU company, is even higher market cap than Bitcoin. Silver is a little bit higher, $300 billion higher than Bitcoin. So if gold is $15 trillion, for Bitcoin to go up to 150K, I don't think it's I really don't think it's too far-fetched. Do you guys agree? What I'm saying here, do you guys agree? Like, do you think it's really out of touch? It's out of our touch, out of our range to hit Bitcoin being 150K. Do you guys think that is not too far-fetched to hit, or it's impossible? Let's do a poll. Do you think Bitcoin can go to 150K. Yes. No. Alright, that's, I don't know. Maybe. Alright, let's see what people think. Let's do a poll. I'm doing a poll. At the same time, smash the like bros. 206 people here. 107 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Retro Mike says, that's a lot of money inflow just to BTC. So many coins and tokens now. Gonna spread the money flow out. Yeah, that's what happens. If Bitcoin goes up, the altcoins generally take a massive price appreciation. I was gonna say a massive hit. That means it would go down, but no, like a hit as in like altcoins will explode. Okay. BC says it depends on the rest of the economy, rest of the market and economy. Okay. What does Dom just say? The real question is when it will reach 150K. Yeah. When will Bitcoin reach 150K? That is the question. Yes. When? Okay. So, okay. Here, what was the market cap of gold like pre-COVID times? Does anyone have the chart? It doesn't even show the chart here. What was gold's price pre-COVID? Like, all that money printing and stuff. What if the same thing happened again? What if we had money printer go burr again? What if that happened again? What if, interest rates started to come down again? Ampere NA, it was 10 trillion. Okay, all right, that's perfect. So if gold was 10 trillion pre-COVID time, why can't Bitcoin go up another 2x, 3x? All right, why can't Bitcoin go up another, yeah. If gold can go up another 5 trillion, why can't Bitcoin go up another 1 trillion? Gold on COVID, 1800. $1,800 price. Okay. Well, gold right now is $23.50. The problem is BTC now tracks the overall market. It's no longer an inflation hedge. Right. BC. The only balance would be terrible gold mining season. Less supply would mean price goes up. I feel like ETH is going to underperform compared to Bitcoin, like what happened with Litecoin since 2015. Similar story played out. GPU miners kicked off. Yeah, Philip Burley. Dude, I remember GPU mining Litecoin back in 2013. Man, good times. I was mining like with 1 or 2 GPUs. I mined like 3 Litecoin a day. Dude, that was great. Those were the times. Gold was 12 trillion as of January last year. Ampere NA. Okay, 12 trillion. All right. So gold jumped another $3 trillion in the past year. Year and a half. That's $3 trillion in the past year and a half. Wow. Why couldn't that flow into Bitcoin? Why couldn't we get $3 trillion into Bitcoin? Then Bitcoin would be $4 trillion. Ah, man. Oh my god. All right. Interesting. Bokiko, RedPandaMining. To BTC to go to 3 trillion, you have to ask where the money comes from. It has to leave an asset class or some asset classes and flow into crypto. Bokiko, you're 100% right, my friend. Where is that money going to come from? Dude, can someone look up? Okay, Nvidia has ballooned in the past year. Where did that come from? Where did that money come from? Was there inflows of money from gold or other asset classes into Nvidia? Is that what happened? I don't know, man. I think there was a lot of, I don't know. I really don't know. Where Nvidia jumped like here. Hold on. What was the market cap? Nvidia stock a year ago. Dude, Nvidia stock a year ago was 277. Now it's 877. That's 4 times the price. Dude, Nvidia has jumped 4 times in the past year. Nvidia was $500 billion. Now they go up 4x in the past year. 4x. Now they're $2.1 trillion. That is a 4x. In 1 year, Nvidia has gone up 4x. Wow. 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 Where did that money come from? Wow. It's money within stock market and capital money markets flow within stocks. Bro, that's a lot of money. That is an F ton of money. All right, so why isn't Bitcoin there yet? Why isn't Bitcoin having its heyday against Apple, Nvidia, Google? I think the typical retail market is just burned. I think that's what it is. They're still burned from the previous downturn. BlackRock has $13 trillion asset under management. Damn, Okiko, that's amazing. That's amazing. U.S. government. Question: why is it's not there? It's who hasn't bought it, and when will they? Yeah, when will Hong Kong? Right. Hong Kong also approved the Bitcoin ETF just recently. Hellish Miner, no worries, man. Stuck in a floating casino. I have not gambled at a casino. I am never going. I am not going to gamble at a casino. Nope. Money will flow from all asset classes soon enough. Nvidia's cap will drop, as will gold's. That money flow into BTC, everything will shuffle like usual. Mr. Squid, I like that. I like it. Because old money is listening to Janet the Felon Yellen. All track. Dude, that is the best. That is great. That's great. You know what? That, in a sense, that kind of makes sense. A lot of the older generation is still in their old ways, right? So I guess in the next 10 or maybe, I don't know, next 5 to 10, 20 years when the old guards are out, it's going to be like the digital assets, Bitcoin, all that kind of stuff is going to do really well. I think in the next 5, 10, 20 years, all of us right now that are into crypto, we're going to do so well. I think we're going to do so well. It's going to be so awesome. I hope to see you all on the Cayman Islands or a big yacht. I hope one of us, at least somebody in this live chat, is gonna have like a $100 million yacht, and we're all gonna be on that yacht in like 20 years. I'll see you all you all there. Just kidding. I don't want to live that kind of life. Just kidding. I want to live a very simple life. I would like to have like an acreage, some chickens, maybe a cow, some goats, and just live free. All track, exactly. 5 years will be a new playing field. Nice. Should a complete novice start with an S17 plus? An S17? S17s have had a bad track record. But if you got it for next to nothing, then go for it. If you have a S17 to play around with, Apparently, you can put the Vinish firmware on it, and LPM, you can get 38 terahash at like 1,000 watts. That actually sounds not too bad. 26 joules per terahash, 26 watts per hash. Ninja Kid, you think farming animals is an easy life? Well, yes, easier than, well, probably, actually no, probably not. BC, 1 AC, 5 horses, 4 chickens, 2 goats, 1 tortoise, 1 dog, 2 rabbits. Oh, BC, is that what you have now? Nice, man. Not me, I will be off the grid in a bush somewhere. Jean-Francois, nice, man, nice. That's funny. That's great. Okay. Alright, guys. Is there anything else you guys want to talk about? I don't know what else to go through other than, I mean, just keep on keeping on. I mean, it's status quo. Like, everyone, us as miners, we understand. I mean, mine and hodl. Mine and hodl. We're still waiting for our day. I don't think it's there yet. Unless you're financially suppressed, then and you're gonna have to make your decision. I know times are tough. Times are tough for a lot of people. Money is not easy to come by, so paying out of pocket, I know, is not an easy task. So, but that's the investment risk, you're willing to take, right? Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for the stream. GSKT Blue. Yeah, you too, bro. Cats of Crypto in memory of Overboard Tech. 100%, man. I miss him. I miss him so much. Damn, man. Too soon. Seriously. He was taken from us too soon. GSKT Blue. Your name sounds very familiar. Is that like a League of Legends team? GSKT. I know was there a League of Legends team named after that? Yeah, I think so. Okay, bros. Thank you all. Thank you all so much for the fun. Hopefully that was, I don't know, insightful or not. Smash the like on the way out. Again, if you guys are looking for a Tangent wallet, the RPM branded one is available. Link, I'll put in the live chat. Use code RPM for another additional 10% off. $60. You get 3 cold storage cards, 2 backups in there. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all so much. Peace out, bros. Peace out, peace out, peace out. Appreciate you all. Appreciate you all. Let's end off with some music here. Peace, bros. See you guys in the stream tomorrow.